Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves, and today I have a September makeup basket to share with you guys. These are all of the makeup items that I am focusing on during September, whether it be for project pan reasons, pan that palette reasons, or just I want to reasons. These are kind of how I keep up to date and on track with my makeup and what I'm currently trying to use. So I keep everything in this makeup bag right here. I got this actually from like a Tarte holiday kind of collection a couple of years back. I don't know if they've done something like this with this nice of a makeup case since then, but I've liked it. So that is kind of what I've been using to kind of keep on top of my vanity and know what I am focusing on for the month. So I'm going to start off with the palettes that I'm using, and these are in my recent Pan That Palette update. I will link in the cards up above, but this is the Marc Scandalust eyeshadow palette, and I've been now pairing it with the Essence Which Side eyeshadow palette. And these kind of are the main eyeshadows that you will see on my eyes this month. And yeah, if you want to see an update what they look like on the inside, check out that video to stay up to date. But those are what is kind of mainly for my eyeshadow this month, not this year. So for those eyeshadows, I'm still using my Milani eyeshadow primer, and the color that I use is Nude. My hair is kind of crazy. I was just about to go work out, so I threw it up in a ponytail. But this is an awesome eyeshadow primer. I have used Urban Decay a lot in the past. This one is definitely more affordable. It does the job for me and my lids. My eyeshadows last throughout the day. I have no kind of upset reason why you shouldn't get this. I definitely highly recommend you guys check it out. If you see it at a store, Amazon, anything like that, check it out. It's awesome. Two cream kind of eyeshadow products that I have been using is the Stila Into the Blue Liquid Glitter and Glow eyeshadow, and this is gorgeous. The shade is not available anymore. It has been discontinued, but it's such a really pretty kind of blue duochrome, and I just like using this as all over the eye. It is in a Fall For You project pan. I will link my intro up above, as well as there's a playlist for all those project panners if you want to see others. But I have this in the project. Definitely is getting on the drier side, so this is the month for me to definitely work on it. It's a good transition, like dark blue, compare it with a gold, things like that. So that is in my makeup basket this month. Also, I've been reaching for this a lot too. This is the Shadowsense by the Sense Cosmetics. This is the Long Lasting Eyeshadow in Pink Opal Shimmer. I'll give you guys a swatch of it right here. So the Pink Opal Shimmer right there. I could have made prettier swatches, I guess, but that is kind of what happened. And I like using that for all over the lid to have a little like crease brown shade, and I'm good to go. Really easy, quick look that does last throughout the day pretty much. For liners this month, I've been testing the Stila Cosmetics and the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and these two you will see a battle this month and kind of comparison which one is better. Since they're both open, I am having them in my makeup bag and will be using them off and on. But if you're interested in seeing that video, be sure to subscribe. The video is coming very soon, so check it out if you're interested. But yeah, they are both in my makeup bag for the month. The mascara I'm using is from Essence. It's the Bye Bye Panda Eyes mascara. It says it's smudge proof, volumizing, and defining mascara. And this is the mascara that I have on my eyes now. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's a favorite and a definitely must buy, but it's not bad. I don't say it's 100% smudge proof either. But I mean, it's doing the job, especially quarantine and 2020, so continuing to work on this month. Continuing with eyes, I still have the Essence Extreme Last Easy Glide Waterproof Silky Nude Liner. I, every now and then, will put it in my waterline. Not very often here lately, but it is in my makeup bag to use when I do want to brighten up my eyes and look a little fancier for the day. And then I have ran out of my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. No, eyebrow gel. Yeah, I think it's eyebrow gel mascara is what they call it. I don't know. But I ran out of that. And since then, I pulled this out from my collection. This is from Winkylux. It's the Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. And I guess that means there's no specific shade. But I have been using this and it's been working pretty well for my brows. It's kind of like a triangle tip right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I just kind of put it in my brows just a little bit to kind of make them look a little bit more fuller. I still really want my Essence brow product over this, just a lot quicker, easier, but this is doing the job and I have it in my collection. It's not a bad product. I have a lot of product to use up in it, but it's not bad. It's been a while since I've used eyebrow pencil, so getting a hang of it once again. And that is it for eyes. For my face, I'm still reaching my Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator in light neutral, and this is actually in a project pan. I already linked it actually. This is in the Fall For You project pan, so I've been working on this quite a bit. It is what's on my face today. Really like it. Also did a full review demo of this product. That's what I'll link in the cards for you up above. And I pair it with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This is in light neutral as well. Really like it. It's what I used as my concealer today. I am getting down to the depths of it. Like, I'm scraping this thing good. We'll be finishing this month. I do have a backup already, but I'm trying to see if I have any other. Yeah, I have a couple other, the Becca light shifters. I'll try and probably put those in next to try and use them up. But other than that, I do have the backup, and that's what I like to use the most, is the Shape Tape. So that is kind of my go-to. To set everything, I still use my Essence All About Matte Fixing Powder, and this thing is coming to the end. I don't even think I have a backup of this. Yeah, I do. Yes. I do have a backup of this, which is so good. If not, I was about to do like a big Essence order. But this is my favorite thing to set everything. It is what I set my face with today, and I love it. Have my Becca Jaclyn Hill face palette in here still. Y'all know, if you followed me in January, know I was trying to pan this complete palette up in 2020. Didn't happen, but I have hit pan on Champagne Pop, which I'm really excited. Been using that to top my eyeshadows with and use as a highlighter. We'll play with the blushes off and on, but that is still in my makeup bag to keep working on. It is one of the older products in my collection right now. Also have the Hourglass Dim Light Ambient Lighting Powder. This is just my favorite powder in general to set everything with. It just gives a nice glow, like luminous look to the face without looking like dewy or like shiny or greasy, anything like that. It's just so pretty on the face. If you haven't tried this, you need to check it out. I love it. But I have hit pan on this. It's in that same project pan as well, but love this stuff. And then I have the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I use this kind of to set underneath my eyes, but honestly, I don't know why this isn't in here because I've been using this more. So I'm actually going to take this out because I haven't been using that as much as I've been using my Kat Von D brightening powder. And I don't even think they sell this anymore. I did a full review on this. I will link it in the cards above if you're interested. But this is in the shade Petal, and this is a loose powder that kind of has a pink tint to it. As you can see, like a pinky petal kind of tint to it. And I've been using that to set underneath my eyes, and I've really been liking playing and using this again. So if you have this in your collection, pull it out. It definitely is a fun product to play with. A little messier than a pressed powder, but it's really good. Then I have my Essence Mosaic blush in All You Need Is Pink, and they do sell these again at Ulta if you're interested. And I've been working on the pan quite a bit. I've used it as my blush today. Really love this. And then other than that, I have lip products. So you guys know I am panning the Charlotte Tilbury Little Deluxe Lipstick in Pillow Talk. This should be done in the week. I mean, that's all I have left. I could probably even finish it today. So that's what's on my lips today. I love it. I do have a full size of this. Then I also have in this basket, this is from Nudestix. It's the Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. And I'll give you guys a swatch. That is what that looks like. This is in the shade Kiss. So it's a little brighter kind of a pink. I'll swatch this for you guys too. Right here is Pillow Talk. And that's the Nude Kiss shade. And then I threw this one in as well. This is from Bite Beauty. It is a red lipstick in Maple. and red is just definitely a fun shade for fall time, winter time, and I threw this in here. Bite Beauty is definitely one of the more natural ingredient products, so I wanted to make sure to have this in the basket so when I reach for red, I can try and use that one up first. So that is everything that is in my makeup bag for the month of September. I am actually headed to the beach for one last hurrah. You'll see a travel makeup bag. Not all these products will be in there just because I'm headed to the beach and I'm going to probably want to use my fun summer makeup. So be sure to check out that video coming soon and subscribe to stay connected with me. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm